Hey guys, Patriot Zero here. I want to do a real quick review on this. I've been carrying this for 7 years. I got it right after the campfire, and I've been carrying it ever since. It's the UltraTac A1. You can buy them on Amazon for about, I think, 26, 27 bucks. It's worth every dime. It's got adjustable tail cap light. It comes with a rechargeable battery. But what's important about this little flashlight is it's LED and it will run off of a AA battery. And if you've ever been in a disaster zone, after the disaster, when they start coming in to supply you, you will not see any other batteries but the AA battery. So it's really important to have this. I can charge this off my Jackery or, in the car with my USB charger. But I can also just drop a AA battery in it. So I can carry a couple of AA's and have it as a backup. It's a great little flashlight. It's tough as hell. I dropped it down the side of a rock mountain, and it got a little banged up and beat up, like you can see. But it's a great light. And you can pull this clip off, and you can flip it this way, so that you can clip it on your hat. So it comes in really handy at night if you want to do hands-free and you're not carrying a headlight. So I highly recommend this. It's worth its weight in gold. And this is one of my gospel thoughts with equipment and gear. You don't always have to spend a fortune to get really good gear. Yes, I went and bought the Grail titanium out of curiosity, and I'm really glad I did. But for the most part, like, I buy used guns. I buy a lot of used equipment off of eBay, off of Craigslist, and I bought this off Amazon because it was the right price, and it has lasted forever, and it runs great. It's got 3 different settings. I think it's up to 950 lumen, and it's just a handy little flashlight, and it's small and light. It's made out of aircraft grade aluminum, and I highly recommend it. If you get a chance, buy one. It's way cheaper. I mean, I like Phoenix. I like the Streamlight and all the others, but for 25 bucks or whatever it is, you can't go wrong with this, and it lasts forever. And that's what's important. You need gear that's going to last forever. And, everyone hypes you up for, you got to buy this, you got to buy that. And no, you don't. You can buy cheaper stuff too that works just as well. You just have to be very selective as to what you buy and listen to reviews. Well, you'll find that all my reviews are gear tested. I use them daily. And I don't BS. I don't shill for any company. I just believe in buying quality gear that's affordable and will get the job done and last almost forever, which is why I've got a thing for stainless. I've got a whole bunch of other stainless guns coming up. I love stainless because it's easy to take care of. You can use it in the rainforest. You can use it around the marine environment, and it lasts forever. Very low maintenance versus blued or even parkerized. Parkerized isn't as good as stainless. I like stainless better. And if you get it, most of the stainless now comes bead blasted, so it's not shiny. It doesn't have a reflection, so it works just perfectly for any kind of situation. I don't want to buy stuff that's just tactical because everybody else has to have it. I buy stuff that works for me and works for my budget, because I don't want to spend a fortune on stuff if I don't have to. There's no reason to. Anyway, Patriot Zero out.